Today we are going to start with exercise 9.2, question number 3. You have to find the product of these numbers. 9 by 2 multiply minus 7 by 4. Here in this question, we have to see whether the numerator and denominator both are going in the same table or not. For this, we'll check 9 and 2 are not going in the same table. Minus 7 upon 4 is not going in the same table, both numerator and denominator. We can check in the cross way also. 9 and 4 are not going in the same table. Minus 7 and 2 are not going in the same table. So here, if they are not cutting with the same table, we are going to simply multiply the numbers. So 9 multiply minus 7 upon 2 multiply 4. 9 sevens are 63. It should be minus 63. 2 fours are 8. As you can see, this is an improper fraction here. The numerator is greater than the denominator. So what we are going to do, we are going to change it into the mixed fraction. Okay. So minus 63 upon 8 will be changed into the mixed fraction. So it will become minus 7 whole 7 by 8. If it is an improper fraction, then only we are going to change it into the mixed fraction. Otherwise, if it is a proper fraction, that means numerator is smaller than the denominator, then we are not going to change it into the mixed fraction. Clear? Any queries?
Okay.
Let's start with the B part. 3 by 10 multiply minus 9.
Ma'am, now we are going to take out the. Ma'am, first we will going to multiply these numbers.
First of all, there is no denominator of this number, so we are going to write down the denominator as 1.
Fine.
The individual number, no denominator is there. So when no denominator is given, we always apply 1 over 2. Then we have to check whether the numerator and denominators are going with the same table. No. Cross, are they going in the same table? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
They're not going in the same table. So we are going to multiply the numbers.
Ma'am, multiply it.
3 nines
Ma'am,
are
9 3s are 27.
minus 27. 10 ones are
10.
So it is an improper fraction or proper fraction?
Ma'am, it is an improper fraction.
Change it into the mixed fraction.
Okay.
What will be the answer when you change this number into the mixed fraction? 10 2s are 20, so 2 will be whole. 27 minus 20 will be 7 and denominator is 10. So minus 2 whole 7 by 10 is the answer when you change this number into the mixed fraction. Clear? Minus 6 upon 5 multiplied by 9 upon 11. As you can see, both numerator and denominators are not going in the same table. Even in the crossword way, if you can see cross product, they are not going in the same table. So simply we are going to multiply the numbers. Minus 6 into 9. How much it is? 6 nines are
54.
54. And 5 11s are
55.
55. This is a proper fraction because numerator is smaller than the denominator. So we are not going to change into the mixed fraction.
Okay, ma'am.
Arav Sharma, tell me the D part. 3 by 7 multiply by minus 2 upon 5. Yes, unmuted beta. Arav, unmuted. Yes. What we are going to do in this question? You're not audible, beta. Give me the message in the chat box. Avika, you explain this question.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in this question, we are first going to multiply 3 multiply by -2, that will be -6, and 7 multiply by 5, that will be 35.
3 2s are 6 and 7 5s are
Mine-
35. This is a proper fraction or improper fraction?
Ma'am, this is the proper fraction as numerator is smaller than the denominator, so we are not going to convert it into the mixed fraction.
Absolutely right. Very good. Is this question clear with everyone? Let's start with the E part. Three by 11 multiply 2 by 5. Jayavardhan, unmute yourself and tell me the answer. How we are going to solve this E part?
Ma'am, we will do 3 multiply by 2 by 11 multiply by 5.
That's right. Then 3 2s are?
And the numerator will be 6
Yes.
and the denominator will be 55.
So it is, we change it into the mixed fraction or not?
No, ma'am, this is the answer.
Yes, that's right. This is a proper fraction, so we are not going to change it. That's right, Jayavardhan. Let's start with question number 4. A part -4 is divided by 2 by 3. In this, we have to find the value of this number. So what we are going to do, first of all, there is an individual number. So first of all, we are going to apply denominator as 1 in the first step. In the next step, we are going to change the division sign into the multiplication sign, and the number which is in front of the division sign will get reciprocal. So 2 by 3 will get reciprocal and it will become 3 by 2. Only the front number will get reciprocal, not the previous one. Clear? Only the number which is after the division sign will get reciprocal when you will change the division sign into the multiplication sign. Now we can do the same question as we have done in the multiplication. We can cut the numbers here. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 here. In the cross. Now we can simply multiply 2 into 3 is -6. Go on 1. So the answer here. Answer is -6 here. Clear? 2. Let's start with question number 4, B part. So
Ma'am, first 2 is a plain number, so we will add 1.
in the denominator.
2 by 1. 2 by 1.
We are going to add 1 in the denominator because 2 is an individual number. So we are going to add denominator as 1. Now next step.
Now we will change division sign into multiplication sign.
That's right.
So
Then
it will become -3 by 5 multiplied by 2 by 1.
2 by 1. It's already there. So we are going to change it into 1 by 2.
Yes, ma'am. 1 by 2 by reciprocal.
Now multiply the numbers. -3 into 1.
No, ma'am. 3 and 2 are not in same table.
3 1s are
3.
3. 5 2s are.
5 2s are 10.
So this is a proper fraction. So no, we are not going to change it to the mixed fraction.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear with everyone?
Upon 1.
Yes. -4 upon 5 divided by -3 by 1 because there is no denominator. So we have
Then we
to
will divide, convert into multiply.
That's right.
Then we will multiply -4 multiply by 1 is equal to -4 and
-3. 3
multiply by 3 is equal to -4 upon 15.
That's right. minus 15. 5 3s are minus 15.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Then, ma'am, we will cut minus to minus.
that's right.
So
now-
answer will be 4 upon 15.
That's good. So we are going to change this number into the division sign will change into
Multiplication sign, ma'am.
multiplication sign.
And ma'am will become 4 upon 3.
4 upon 3. That's right. Now
Ma'am, then we cut
4. Then we cut 8.
4 1 the 4,
4
4
the 4
2
and 4 to the 8. So
Okay.
ma'am, then we simply multiply 1 into 4 is equal to 4 and 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So ma'am, answer
Will become 4 upon 6.
minus 1 upon beta 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8. We are going to cut here. So minus 1 into 1 will change into minus 1. Okay.
so answer will minus 1 upon 6.
That's right. I think this exercise is clear with everyone.